Turn up. To increase the volume or intensity. He turns up the radio. Turn down. To decrease the volume or intensity. She turns down the music. Get in. To enter. I got in the car and fastened my seatbelt. Get out. To leave. He told me to get out of the room immediately. Go up. To increase or rise. The price of petrol goes up every month. Go down. To decrease or lower in level. Luckily, prices go down on weekends. Break up. To end a relationship. Did they really break up? Get together. To start a relationship. They get together again. Wake up. To stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 a.m. every day. Fall asleep. To start sleeping. I usually fall asleep early. Get up. To rise from bed. I get up early every morning to exercise. Lie down. To place oneself in a horizontal position, usually to rest or sleep. I lie down when I feel tired. Turn on. To activate or start something. Please turn on the lights. It's too dark in here. Turn off. To deactivate or stop something. Please turn off the lights before leaving the room. Put on. To wear something. He puts on his shoes. Take off. To remove something. She takes off her shoes. Calm down. To become less angry or excited. He tried to calm down after hearing the shocking news. Get excited. To become energetic. The kids got excited when they saw the ice cream truck. Check in. To register at a hotel or airport. We checked in at the hotel yesterday. Check out. To leave a hotel or airport. We checked out of the hotel at noon. Pass away. To die. His grandfather passed away last year. Be born. To come into life. A beautiful baby was born yesterday. Call off. To cancel. The football match was called off due to heavy rain. Carry on. To continue. He was upset but decided to carry on with his day. Drop off. To leave someone or something. He drops off his kids at school. Pick up. To collect someone or something. She picks up her children from school. Pick up. To lift something. She picks up the trash. Put down. To place something down. She puts down the phone. Go out. To leave home. They go out for lunch. stay in. To remain at home. We stay in on weekends. Speed up. To increase speed. The driver speeds up. Slow down. To reduce speed. The car slows down near the turn. Fill up. To add something until it is full. She fills up the jar. Empty. To remove contents. He empties the jar. Move in. To start living in a new place. We're so excited to move in to our new apartment soon. Move out. To leave a place where you've been living. I can't wait to move out of my parents' house and live independently. Hang up. To end a call. She hangs up quickly. Pick up. To answer a call. She picks up the phone. Stand up. To rise to feet. I stand up as the teacher enters the class. Sit down. To take your seat. They sit down on the floor. Bring back. To return something. She brings back the book. Take away. To remove something from place or person. She takes away the coffee. Give away. To donate something. She gives away old clothes. Take back. To reclaim something. I take back my words. Build up. To develop something. She worked hard to build up her confidence before the presentation. Tear down. To destroy something. Negative comments can tear down a person's self-esteem. Break down. To stop working. The car breaks down often. Fix up. To repair something. He fixes up the bike easily. Run away. To escape. Sometimes I just want to run away from all my problems. Come back. To return. Please come back soon. We'll miss you. Run out of. To use up completely. We ran out of milk, so we need to buy more. Stock up on. To gather or collect a supply of something. She stocked up on groceries before the storm. Drop in. To visit someone informally and without notice. I decided to drop in at my friend's house after work. Drop out. To leave permanently before completion. He dropped out of college quite early. Throw up. To vomit. I felt so sick after the ride that I almost threw up. Keep down. To control something. The doctor advised me to keep down my food after the surgery. Hold on. To wait. Hold on a second. I'm coming. Let go. To release. She lets go of the balloon and it flies away. Mess up. To make a mistake. He messed up the recipe by adding too much salt. Do well. To succeed. She studied a lot to do well in school. Make up. To reconcile or settle. They make up after a fight. Fall out. To have an argument. They fall out over money. Find out. To discover something. He finds out the truth. Hide. To keep secret. They hide the information. Open up. To establish. They open up a new business. Close down. To close. The company closes down. Take in. To absorb or understand something. He takes in all the details during the lecture. Let out. To release. She lets out a deep sigh after a long day. Look after. To take care of someone or something. He looks after his little brother while their parents are away. Neglect. To ignore. He neglects his studies and plays video games all day. Give up. To quit. He gives up easily when things get hard. Keep going. To continue. No matter how hard it gets, always keep going. Check out. To examine or inspect something. He checked out the new store. Ignore. To pay no attention. He ignores the news. Show up. To arrive or be present. He showed up to the meeting on time. Stay away. To not attend or be absent. He stayed away from school because he was sick. Go ahead. To proceed with something. You can go ahead and start the meeting. Hold back. To delay or hesitate. She wanted to speak, but she held back her opinion. Give in. To surrender or yield. He gave in to the pressure and quit. Stand firm. To resist or not give up. She stood firm on her decision, despite criticism. Fall apart. To break into pieces. The old chair fell apart when I sat on it. Hold together. To remain intact or stay strong. Despite the challenges, the team held together and won the match. Bring up. To mention a topic. She brings up an interesting point in the meeting. Ignore. To avoid discussing something. He ignores my question and changes the subject. Turn on. To start a device. I turn on the TV. Turn off. To stop a device. He turns off the lights. Hold up. To delay or obstruct something. The train holds up traffic. Let through. To allow someone or something to pass through. The security guard lets through the guests after checking their IDs. Look forward to. To anticipate something with excitement. He looks forward to vacation. Dread. To feel fearful or anxious about something. He dreads the upcoming exam. Look up to. To admire or respect someone. He looks up to his older brother because he's a great role model. Look down on. To consider someone as inferior or not worthy of respect. He looks down on his colleagues because he thinks he's high of himself. If you liked the video, comment down below. Bye!